Isn't it funny that I had been thinking about a video idea for literally 8 hours, but suddenly 1 hour before the sunset, I had an epiphany? So a few weeks ago, oh, I'm matching with the background, dedication. So a few weeks ago, I went to Amsterdam with my friend and I did something that I usually never do. I bought a frappuccino from Dunkin' Donuts and it was super good. It was cookie flavored, I think, but it cost the tremendous amount of €4.50. And it's a lot of money for a coffee that you're going to drink in 25 minutes. So, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. So, I went back home and I tried to do it by myself, and now I wanted to do it again because it's so good. Not so good to my diet, I think, but it's nice. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cookie frappuccino at home for very cheap and also without a blender, because I'm currently not at my house, so I don't have my blender with me. So yeah, I didn't make all the calculation mathematics stuff yet, but I'm going to do it and then include it in my title. So that's probably the reason why you clicked on this video. So yeah, let's go. So this recipe is going to be very easy. You're only going to be needing a big ass jar because you absolutely need those, I think, 700 milliliters of iced coffee, cocoa powder, whipped cream, coffee, any brand will do. This one is from Kruidvat, only €3.49 for the whole jar. Milk, ice, hot water, and biscuit. This is like a granola biscuit with chocolate, so very nice with this type of coffee in particular. I also made this beautiful apple pie yesterday and it's very tasty and very easy to do, because if you know me in real life, I can't cook for my life, but this was very easy, only 3 or 4 ingredients, I think. If you want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. I don't know who I became. This is a cooking channel now. Oh, and also I will be using a scale, but you don't need to use that, of course. I use that because it's easier for me to calculate how much the coffee will cost. So I'm going to start off. I did this 10 times, but now that I need to show you, I don't remember. So I will start with the coffee. 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of, this is not a tablespoon, this is a spoonful. No, it's a soupful. 8 grams of cocoa powder. Now I will add the biscuit. This particular pack comes with 2 biscuits. Yeah, I will only need 1, so I will save the second one for tomorrow. Now what I'm going to do, because I don't want to have a full biscuit and I don't have a blender, so I'm taking transparent foil, microwave foil. Oh, let's see how much this weighs. First of all, 18 grams. As I was saying, I'm going to put this biscuit in this microwave foil, and now I'm going to break it into small pieces. See? Oh no, it's breaking. I'm going to break it like so. It's very, very easy. Fashion at its finest. Very, very. Oh no, it's okay. See? Small bits. So you don't want the pieces to be too small because you still want the frappuccino to be crunchy, but this is perfect because with the hot water it's still going to be smaller and smaller, so this is very nice. So now we're gonna put as many ice cubes as you want in this. I usually put between 13 and 16, and I know that's a lot, but now I only have 12 small ice cubes, so I'm going to do with what I have. So now I'm going to pour the water. I'm going to pour it slowly. So now it looks like this. And now I'm gonna pour the milk. To pour the milk, I'm going to change the setting. I'm going to put it in millimeter. See, nice color. A nice color. 161 millimeter. Now you need to give it a twirl, a whirl. See, there's little bits of cookie. Oh, fuck my life. And now the final touch. Every time you touch, you get this feeling. Whipped cream. I'm going to fill the jar up to the top. So all of this is going to be whipped cream. See, this is very huge. Look, compared to the size of my hand. Yeah, it's very big. That's what she said. 15 grams of whipped cream. Oh, and this is not compulsory, but what I like to do is sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on top of it to make it look nicer. And also I love cinnamon a little bit too much. I made a nice coffee today for my friend for our study date, and he told me that there was too much cinnamon in the iced coffee, and I was like,
what you mean? What do you mean?
So yeah, I'm going to do this and then film the aesthetic shots of the Frappuccino, iced coffee, however you want to call it, because I want to take a nice picture for the thumbnail. So I think that's it, basically. Okay, now it's done. Let's taste it. Very, very nice. And also please don't add any sugar to it, because it's already full of sugar, because you have cocoa powder, then the biscuit, and then the whipped cream. So I think it's enough, otherwise you're gonna have diabetes, and of course that's not I don't want to promote diabetes on this channel. I just want to have fun and eat good food and eat good drinks and drink good drinks and not spend that much money on them. So now you know how to make a beautiful cookies frappuccino iced coffee for that much money, which is very cheap. Thank you so much for watching. That's it for this week's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to drop a like. Tell me in the comments down below if you like to see more of how I save up some money on a daily basis. Tell me if you want to see that or not. If you like my bubbly personality, you can always subscribe. I post one video a week every Wednesday 8 p.m. GMT +2. At least I'm trying. Sometimes life gets in the way, but I'm trying, and that is what's important in this life. So yeah, I'll see you next week, same day, same time, hopefully. Bye.